What's up, guys? Just got done at the park. I just got a new toy. I don't know if you guys can see this. This is a gimbal. The reason why you get a gimbal is to take like cinematics and stuff like that. And I tried to use the gimbal at the park. I don't know how it came out. It's my first time, well, my second time using it. So yeah, that's what I want to do today, was come to the park. I feel like it's super weird if I do footage like when people are around. I hate it. About to go to the store and meal prep for the week. Yeah, about last week, look, I got a confession to make. I didn't go to the gym at all last week. I have a perfectly good reason why I did not go to the gym. Okay, you cannot knock me for this. Natural causes. So last Sunday, I had a stomach bug. Oh my gosh, it was terrible, guys. Like, I was dying. I literally was dying. I was in my bed, curled up in a ball, and couldn't move for like 18 hours, man. Anything I smelled was so bad. It was terrible. It was terrible. So I didn't have enough time to go to the gym last week. Like I said, I was so sick. Oh my gosh. But I ate like crap last week just because I was so sick. And like that threw me in for a loop. And I was just like, oh my God. Like, I was just so stressed out. I missed the gym. I was going to the gym for like average 3-4 days, you know, trying to get back into it. I didn't even go to the gym this week. And it's kind of like depressing, I guess. You know what? It's a new day. It's a new day every single day. You know, we restart fresh, you know. My stomach was messed up. Now it's time to get back into business. It's time to get back to it. Let's just get to the store, man, and yeah, we'll take care of everything when I get back to the house.